Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up the eufy E20 with the eufy Clean app. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. The eufy Clean app's a free app available for iOS and Android devices. Once you have it downloaded, sign in or create your account. Then you'll be at this screen where you may or may not see other devices if you've already used this app with other eufy cleaning products. So we have a couple of RoboVacs saved in our account. So top right hand corner, select the plus icon. Now we can choose from a list of models right here, or it will actually populate the device for you automatically. So ours popped up right here where we can select connect. If yours doesn't pop up after a couple of seconds, just choose it from the list and select your model. We want to select connect. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. So make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, enter your password, then select next. Now it's going to work on connecting everything.
Connecting Wi-Fi.
We even got a voice prompt.
Wi-Fi connection successful.
Got another voice prompt that the connection was successful, and here we go, the app is loading. Back on the screen, it might look like nothing happened if you have multiple devices set up, which can be a little confusing within this app, but just swipe over and we'll find all of our devices right here, and we can select enter. And we can enter in, and we're prompted right here to turn on auto upgrade, which we can agree to. And that's it. We're all set up and ready to go to start using our E20. The first thing you'll want to do is create a map of your environment. Then you can fine tune and set everything up to your cleaning preferences. But simple, straightforward to set this up. It won't take you more than like 60 seconds.